Manhattan office leasing in Q4 was the strongest in 6 years, driven by continued return to office and increased tech hiring, especially for artificial intelligence. Leasing increased by more than 25% from the third quarter, according to Colliers. Demand was 16% higher year over year and close to 52% above the 5-year quarterly average. So it was the island's strongest single quarter of leasing since the end of 2019. Now, for all of last year, leasing volume was the highest since 2019 and just over 2% below 2019's pre-pandemic total. Experts at Colliers pointed to factors accelerating the recovery, like tenant flight to quality in order to attract and retain talent, strengthening return to office, emerging AI industry leasing, and sizable expansions by major tenants such as Amazon, NYU, and BlackRock. Industries showing an uptick in demand: finance, tech, legal, education, medical, nonprofit, and government. Now, the supply of available office space is still much higher, up nearly 37% than it was at the start of the pandemic in March 2020, but much lower than the post-pandemic peak in February 2024. As demand rises, the oversupply is slowly being absorbed, and Manhattan now has the tightest supply since November 2020. Rents are finally rising a little. There does continue to be that flight to quality to Class A leading, so we're not totally out of the woods yet. Now, for more on this and other big plays in commercial real estate, go to cnbc.com/property play for your Property Play newsletter. It is free, Kelly.